Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? Matthews here from M&A FOREX Traders. I hope you're doing great. So I'm here with a beautiful video for you guys. This is cast on NZD Absolutely amazing trade, giving us about 1 to 25 risk reward ratio, 10 pips stop loss, and 288 target. So let watch the rest of the video to actually see me breaking down the analysis and what I'm actually seeing on this particular pair right now. All right, so let's go. All right, awesome. So let me just break down what I'm looking at right now and everything else. Okay, so let's go back to the hour time frame. So what I'm seeing here is this, right? So of course, let's start from the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, what you have is that you have an overall downtrend, right? Therefore, you only want to look for selling opportunities in the market. Okay, and once you've defined the overall direction of the market, then you want to go to the lower time frame. So this is the 4 hour time frame now. And when you come here, you're going to see something very significant here, right here. You actually going to see a nice rally based drop supply zone. Rally based drop supply zone, which is extremely important. That tells you that above there's presence of smart money in the market. Okay, so you note that, and then you go to the lower time frame further. Remember, this is what we call a top down analysis. So when you come here on the 2 hour time frame, you're going to notice something. What do you have here? You have a high and another high being respected at that level right there. That tells you that those are equal highs. What do we call that? Liquidity. So there's a ton of people who will be willing to sell once the market comes back to this level, right? You can see the market is here, but once the market has to pull back here, most likely people will be willing to sell from that level. And guess what? We don't do that. What do? We wait for these people to be taken out. And once these people who be willing to sell from here have been taken out, and where do we wait for them to be taken out for the price to come to? The price, we want the price to come here. Why? Remember, this is a clear rally based drop supply. So you can clearly see that we have a lot of imbalanced candles right here, inefficiency candles, which simply signifies presence of smart money in the market. All right. So once we've noted that, then what do? We wait for the price to come to the rally based drop supply zone, which is slightly above our level right there. Okay, so can clearly say the market is here. So what do? The next thing is to actually define where our order block is. So we'll go to the lower time frame until we find our order block. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. So for the 15-minute time frame, you can clearly see we have this candle right here, which is the last bullish candle before the bearish move. This black candle right here. So we go ahead and mark the high and the low of that particular candle and extend this rectangle to the right side. And this is where it is right now. So if we go back to the 2 hour time frame, you're going to see that it's actually this setup right here. So we have a rally based drop supply zone and we have our liquidity. Of course, we're going to wait for this liquidity to be taken out and we see how it's going to react when the market comes to this level right here. And once that happens, guess what? We wait for our confirmation, which we talk about in our mastery course, of course. And then also once we have our confirmation, guess what? We take a trade, and this trade has got the potential of 1 to 25 risk to reward ratio. Our stop loss is only 10 pips, and our target is like 280. That's extremely good, right? So we don't just enter blindly. We're going to wait for the confirmation, and once we have a confirmation, we execute our setup, and this is going to be shared in our private community. All right, so this is how it is. So I thought I would share this video with you guys. I hope you actually got something from this. Remember that if you want to actually learn to actually analyze the way I've just analyzed this pair right now, we have a mastery course that you can actually learn, enroll, and actually get to learn everything. And on top of that, you actually get lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, and other benefits that you get by joining our community. So check the first link in the description and actually check out our mastery course. All right, you guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comments, and let's go.
Hello there. Do you like the way we trade and would like to trade exactly like I've shown you? Well, wait no more. We have our M&A Forex Trading Mastery course, which comes with a ton of extensive, in-depth tutorials on our trading strategy, risk management, and trading psychology. Our strategy has been back-tested and forward-tested and has shown positive expectancy over the years. When you enroll into our course, you get benefits like lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, free trading plan, free trading journal, and weekly trade reviews. All these arsenals that help you become a consistently profitable trader that you seek to become. What are you waiting for? Click the first link in the description to enroll now.